History of Arab League. A history following adoption of the Alexandria Protocol in 1944, the Arab League was founded on 22 March 1945. It aimed to be a regional organization of Arab states with a focus to developing the economy, resolving disputes, and coordination. Political aim. Other countries later joined the league. Each country was given one vote in the council. The first major action was the joint intervention illegally on behalf of the majority Arab population behind uprooted as the state of the Israel emerged in 1948, but a major participation in this intervention. Transjordan had agreed with the Israelis to divide up the Arab Palestine state proposed by the United Nations General Assembly, and Egypt intervened primarily to prevent its rival in Amman from the accomplishing its objectives. It was followed by the creation of a mutual defense treaty. 2 years later, a common market was established in 1965. Geography. The Arab League member states cover our 13,000 13 million kilometers area and straddles two continents, Africa and Asia. The area largely consists of arid deserts such as the Sahara. Nevertheless, it also contains several highly fertile lands like the Nile Valley and the Jabba Valley and the Shi Valley in the Horn of Africa and the Atlas Mountains in the Maghreb, and the fertile countryside that stretch over Mesopotamia and the Levant. The area comprises deep forest in the South Africa and the parts of the world's longest river, the Nile. The membership. The Charter of the Arab League, also known as the Pact of the League of Arab States, is the founding treaty of the Arab League adopted in 1945. It stipulates that the League of Arab States shall be composed of independent Arab states that have signed this pact. Initially, in 1945, there were only 6 members. Today, the Arab League has 22 members, including their African countries, among the largest by area: Sudan, Algeria, Libya, and the largest country in the Western Asia, Saudi Arabia. 5 countries have observer status that entitles them to express their opinion and give advice, but denies them voting rights. Libya was suspended on 22 February 2011 following the starting of the Libyan civil war. The National Transitional Council, the partially recognized interim government of Libya, sent a representative to be seated at the Arab League meeting on 17 August to participate in a decision as to whether to redemit Libya to the organizational. Syria was suspended on 16 November 2011. On 6 March 2013, the Arab League gave the Syrian National Coalition Syria sat in the Arab League on 9 March 2014. Secretary General Nabil Al-Arabi said that Syria's seat would remain vacant until the opposition completes the formation of its institutions.